welcome back to our channel. So today I'm back and I'm gonna start off with one of the headband wigs by It's a Wig. This is headband wig 3, and you guys know I've reviewed headband wig 1 and 2 before. I think I reviewed 2 yesterday. This is 3 and I have her in the color TTPN 1B/16/613F, and it's really pretty. I love the waves on it. Okay, I love the waves on it, but guys, this is no different from the one that I reviewed yesterday, well, and the first one that I reviewed, whether it was last week or 2 weeks ago. It's pretty much the same. So let's get into the whole cap construction so I can explain what the It's a Wig headband wig is all about. So first of all, you get a velvet band all the way around the wig. So you see this velvet band that I have right here. This is your regular non-slip grip velvet band. Well, this one has like a lace in the middle right here, but usually you have like a full velvet band. It has velcro, stuff like that, so you can adjust it to fit your head size, you know, tighter or, you know, looser or whatever. This one does not come with any velcro in it, so it's just a regular velvet band, but it goes all the way around. It has a tiny bit of stretch to it. I wouldn't say it has that much stretch, but it have a little bit of stretch to it, so it could possibly fit a larger head size, larger than mine, but I don't know if to say it's big head friendly, because honestly you get one comb up front, one at the back, and you don't have any adjustable straps, but the cap is a stretchable mesh net material cap. So on the inside of the cap there's a lot of room. It's definitely big head friendly, but like I said, the whole band going around, because there's nothing adjustable or nothing, you know, really elastic about the velvet band itself, I'm not too sure how much of a bigger head size it would fit. So that's my only thing. I don't really know, and I just wish that they gave us some type of adjustable straps or some type of velcro so we can adjust it, you know, for a smaller or a larger head size. But anyway guys, this is pretty much the style that you get, and I showed you guys how wide the velvet band is. The velvet band is pretty wide. I was telling you guys about it the last review yesterday, and I wasn't able to show you, but I was able to show you this time how wide the velvet band is. Usually the velvet band is pretty wide, or the headband itself that comes attached to the wig is pretty wide, but not that wide. I think this one is a little bit wider than usual. But regardless, once you have a wide enough headband to put on top of it, if you are going to wear a headband on top of it, then it should be fine. Anyway, this is what the stock card looks like. Of course, it comes in other colors. I will leave that in the description box down below. If you prefer a 1B and number 2, it comes in those as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. In terms of shedding, I got a few strands. I got a few snags as well, so keep that in mind. It will tangle eventually. I mean, it is a synthetic wig and it is heat safe up to 400 degrees, so you can add heat to it. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, follow us on all our social media accounts. Everything is at WigTypes, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.